Hi, I'll introduce myself, Corinne Vachon, and I am Baudouin Canada's Marketing and Communication Director. Firstly, I would like to thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. Our objective is to present you with the preventive measures that we have implemented on all our construction sites in order to protect your health and your safety from the COVID-19. To begin with, anyone wishing to access a site under Baudouin's responsibility will have to register at the entrance. On this register, you will be asked a few questions and information. The objective is to make sure that your presence on site is safe for you and for everybody else. Please note that you will have to register every time you are coming to the site. Also, you will have to wash your hands at the hand washing station at the entrance. A toilet will be made available for all workers. It is workers' responsibilities to disinfect their hands before and after using the toilets. Please note that the toilets will be cleaned twice a day. Baudouin will make a hand washing station available. All workers must wash their hands as often as possible. More specifically, all workers must wash their hands when arriving and leaving the site, before and after eating, before and after breaks, before and after smoking, before and after going to the toilet, and finally, after using a tissue or a towel. The lunchroom table should be cleaned before and after each use. It is very important to keep a distance of 2 meters between every person at all times, even in the lunchroom. If this is not possible, the site superintendent will have to set up schedule for breaks and for meals in order to respect that social distancing. Each worker on site must make sure to do their job while keeping a distance of 2 meters with their colleagues. If it's not possible to keep that distance for a period of more than 15 minutes, then the workers must wear a visor or a mask and protective glasses. In order to respect the social distancing, we also recommend the following behavior. Avoid face-to-face meeting and gatherings, avoid sharing equipment and tool, avoid direct contact for greetings, favor the exchange of digital document rather than paper document, and limit outings to what is strictly necessary. It is recommended to reduce the occupancy rate in vehicle to 50%. It is also recommended to clean the vehicle surfaces before and after each use. Work tools and equipment should not be shared. If it's not possible, tools and equipment needs to be disinfected before and after sharing. Anyone who goes to a job site under Baudouin's responsibility needs to be honest about their state of health. Anyone in any of the following situations must avoid going to a site in addition to self-isolate for 14 days. Return from a trip for less than 2 weeks. Currently experience any of the following symptoms. Fever over 38 degrees Celsius, cough, breathing difficulties, or sudden loss of smell. And finally, I've been exposed to someone with the COVID-19. Anyone who has contracted the COVID-19 must have a written authorization of the Health and Safety Coordinator before returning to a Baudouin site. The public health authorizes the lifting of isolation when all the following criteria are satisfied. A period of at least 14 days has passed since the beginning of the disease, absence of acute symptoms for 24 hours, and absence of fever for 48 hours. In conclusion, for any questions regarding this directive, we invite you to contact Jean Ouellet, Health and Safety Coordinator with Baudouin Canada. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and thank you for helping to keep our job site safe.